You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I think it's one of my favorite words in English. It's a little bit confusing, but let's learn the pronunciation. The British English pronunciation: greengrocer. That's one of the first words you learn in English as a foreign speaker. Greengrocer. The Americans say it as greengrocer. A retailer of fruit and vegetables is the meaning. Greengrocer, or how to pronounce in English, American English, greengrocer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.